welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this haircut umbrella cap.
So this is what I got. Foldable. It's like very cheap material, and as you can see over here, they say 22 inches. Yes, a 22 fit my neck, but over here, let me see. How can I fit the neck with this lock right here? Man, it's too small with the lock right here. I cannot use this one. The only thing fit is my neck right here. They say 22 inches, small size. Make sure you check the diameter or the size before you purchase. As you can see, the length is about my arms and not big like in the photos. Okay, now I'm gonna put over my my neck to show you what this looks like. There you go. This fit my neck. As I told you before, I cannot fit this together. It cannot secure my neck, so I have to let this close around like that. And maybe have to use some tape to use every time. Okay, as you can see. You can use that for the kid like 1 or 2 years old, but for adults, please make sure the size before you purchase. And once again, the material is very cheap, like a nylon bag. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.